You did not say since that last incident happened. Many weird things don't they happen around.
where that's how?
How? Why you talk like this? Like you could just hear some kind of sound you don't understand, some kind of footsteps, strange things, weird things.
No, calm down. Now fear they do you, nothing they happen. Man, mouth. As we did now, nothing they happen.
See now this your touch here, this your gun where they carry now in we can they give you liver.
Calm down, relax.
Waiting.
No, you get time. Waiting and see.
What do you see?
You see something now? See you talk too much. See,
you see what they talk?
See?
You see what they talk?
No, be what they talk. Hey you, stop there! Who you be? I said who you be? Stay there, no come closer. Just stay there, talk.
Help me, please. Please. I don't know what to do. I woke up in the forest with 2 dead bodies. And then a man tried to bury us. I escaped.
How you can't take good there? What will happen when you go there? Huh?
I don't know. I just found myself there.
You don't know? 2 dead bodies. How? Wait. Can you lead us there?
Where more they go?
Lead us there.
Lead the way more they go. Stay focused. Stay gallant.
Roger that.
Stay gallant.
Roger that.
We are waka fast mode. Waka fast.
Small.
Focus on her. Focus on her.
Sure.
Let us not miss her.
Sure.
But you know something that happen.
Don't say that too much.
Now bush tell us now. Hello. What did happen now? You tell us in our bush those people there now. But what do they see for here now? Classroom they see for here now.
Just follow.
She there.
Nah, she say no follow her. No follow you see.
No follow. No follow. Okay, where they go now?
It makes sense to follow her, sir.
Oh, come on. You know this is something? You know this is something?
Waiting.
It be like see this day I can remember. Now we just keep on burying.
I'm not sure. But please remember. I say hello. Hold on.
Jesus Christ. Sonny? Now one of them. Sonny?
Sonny?
Sonny? Who is this? Sonny! I don't keep person, Sonny. I don't know, say now you, Sonny!
Be strong, we are survive the night. Home sweet home is not more safe. We have to hide. We have to hide to stay alive.
How far? You there ready? Okay, good. All right, bro. She's coming now. Listen, I want you to kill this. You know, she really loves songs, so we got to give her up notch.
I tell you, my bro, relax. I don't tell you, see me, relax, bro.
If you screw me over,
why did you do like this? Relax, bro. Calm your mind.
Go inside.
I got you, my bro.
Rex? Rex?
Yes?
Oh!
Why did you leave? I wanted to see you off.
I'm sorry. I didn't even know you wanted to see me. I'm so sorry, my love.
Fine.
You okay?
I'm fine.
Yeah.
Oh, you have a friend coming around?
Yes. So I have a little bit of surprise for you.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So I wrote a song for you. Yeah, something that's really like, it's from the bottom of my heart. I just wanted to like express how I'm feeling lately.
Okay.
So would you like to listen to it?
Of course, I'm all ears.
All right, just you ready?
Yeah. Okay.
So just just stay here, okay?
Okay.
Let me see the perfect picture.
Okay.
You ready?
Oh, yeah.
So this is from the bottom of my heart, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Let's go. I know they feel myself.
Oh my God, no. Oh my God.
I know they feel myself.
Jeez.
Missing you a flare. I know they feel myself. You've been gone for days. How person won't survive.
Damn, you're so good.
Other things can't wait. You'll be my main agenda. Give me all I want. Put your full chest on top of mine. I want your body for my bed.
Aw, Rexy,
Baby,
you're such a good artist.
I want your body for my
Are you
bed.
still singing?
Yes.
Someone singing.
I said I want your body for my bed. Sleep.
Uncle, calm down. So I thought you were the one singing for me. Please calm down. Calm down. Please, can you come down from this car, please? Okay, calm down. Don't worry, calm down. So wait, stay with him. You don't even know how to sing. You're the one singing. That one that you're learning for head not correct. So now so you do to me since I give you all my love now. So lie you. Hey, if you talking this, I think you slap you. This is how I can't break lips. I want to be for the blame or stick. You Oh yeah, sing now, man, they share your voice. Man, sing you a frog voice. Sing, make I share you. If you sing, I'll come and sleep and stay up your rest. I'm not coming into your jail. Rest, sing, make I share you. Sing, if you sing, make I share your voice. Sing, I share you. Oh yeah. Rest, I go say for sure. If you don't share, I'll give you. Sing, my share you.
Missing you all day. Yeah.
Yes! You be poor person, you be the sick like woman go do juju. You be poor person, like you be you fair, you carry privilege, you be cheat, you be scum. That's why they come here. You be poor person, but don't see for this barrier again. You be poor person. She will carry mouth stick. You don't go better for you. You don't go see wife money. You don't go see girlfriend dates. So go kill that too. If you blame me, rest. If you blame me, I swear to God, I'm gonna go come in people for you. They're gonna beat you. You go black. You don't know. You don't go. We are not best. You. No comment up girl, never near this environment. And they tell you, you be bad person. I'm about you want to play before I go kill you. Mommy, you be bad person.
So,
Mommy,
let me say this.
Why you do like this now?
Don't
If
go
you tap
now.
me now, if you tap me,
You dey mad, no be me tap you for there.
I know they follow me, they talk all this thing. Now your face that they look cool. She tell me say I carry head like mop.
Thunder fire you. When you dey inside spirit, you come out for body. You don't even know when they don't tap you for body.
And you don't lose this one. I don't lose this one. And she getting her shoe.
And you just
Guy move bounce, I beg. No, leave this matter, I beg.
can't useless boy be this one now.
For tap me now, I don't face me tap me since.
What be tie you? They mad for there. For tap you, no be me.
Normally I don't do this, so normally I get.
Don't worry now. You go see how you go get ticket. Go London tomorrow now, idiot.
Bro, I get paid for this type of shit.
Don't worry now.
The court on Monday morning ruled in favor of the Prestige International High School and gave the owners permission to reopen the school. The school that has been closed down for some time now due to the mystery of 3 missing students. The student the school maintained has not resumed school for the term. Drama, however, continues as mother of one of the students, Lucy Eze, is currently on a lone protest outside the school gates. Let us go close to her and hear from her. Madam, what is the situation?
The courts are corrupt. The owner of this case is very powerful. But I swear my daughter's life that they will never go unpunished. All I wanted to do is to give me my daughter's body, let me go and bury her. Don't you give me my daughter's body, let me go and bury her.
This is the situation. I am Ruth Moses reporting for Sweet TV.
Don't you give me my daughter's body. Give me my daughter's body. Give me my daughter's body. Let me come here. Give me my daughter's body. Daughter's body. Give me my daughter's body. Give me my daughter's
Hey, you.
body.
Open the gate. I don't want it to look like we have something we are hiding. Or someone or somebody we are keeping.
Yes?
Good day, sir. The reporter is outside. Should I let her in?
2 minutes. Tell her to wait 2 minutes and let her in. Okay?
Okay, sir.
The reporter is not at the gate now. You go and pick her up. Yeah, you pick her up. Okay. Yes?
She's here, sir.
Ah,
Good day, sir.
good day, member of the press.
Yes, sir.
Please, have a seat.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, you can wait for me. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
How's journalism treating you?
Very well.
It's looking good on you.
Thank you, sir.
So, what can I do for you?
All right, sir. I want to ask you a few questions about the news and the court ruling and the missing children, sir.
Well, as you can see, the court has ruled in our favor. So, school will resume with the SS3 students first, so that we can prepare them for the WAEC exams, the West African Examination Council exams, and the rest of the school will follow subsequently. You know, we want to handle this gradually, thinking of the sensibilities of the family and the public in general.
The 3 students that have been missing from the school would have also been SS3 now and writing their WAEC if they were still here.
Is that a question?
The real question is, what do the world need to know about the missing students?
Well, the only truth of this most harrowing incident is as the court has ruled. It's an unfortunate situation, but that's all there is to it. It is most disheartening.
What about the parents, the mother of these children? You know, their families. What about them, sir?
As you can see, we're taking measures to curb that. Then we are dealing with that sensitivity. I have to take this call. My phone is always on
All right, sir.
vibrate. Hello. So I guess that will be all, right? Yeah. Thank you very much. Yeah. No, it's a very grievous situation. The press is even just leaving now, giving the school a bad name.
head? Are you okay? Okay, you someone. What are you okay? What's wrong with you now? Can't you see? What kind of stupid behavior is that now? You almost hit me. Okay, what's wrong with you? Come on, who is this?
Why do I feel at home with you when I don't even know you? Why do I feel like my best?
I'm so sorry. I'm really sorry. I didn't mean to. Look. There's a problem with the car. I don't know. I just even called my mechanic. I'm so sorry. Please.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Are you okay? Are you sure you're okay? Are you hurt?
I'm fine. Your car. The mechanic is on his way. So when he.
No, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I'm sure. They're gonna get it done, right?
Yeah, when he comes, he'll.
It's okay. Are you okay? Are you sure?
I'm actually rushing to a job interview. I have a teaching job interview.
Oh, a teaching job interview. Why a teacher?
I don't understand.
Well, just looking at you and seeing how beautiful you are, like, I don't think you should be a teacher.
Well, I don't think that every woman should rely on their looks but brains for everything. Don't you think? Besides, teaching job is more like doing a good deed. And my father was a teacher, so I'm just taking up the profession to honor him.
Ah, nice. It's okay. So I guess not just a pretty face, you also have a beautiful brain. I love it. Okay, nice. Would you mind if we exchange contact?
Good evening, madam.
Oh,
wait on, madam. I beg no face. I go somewhere. I go help person check something. I beg.
Take. That's my mechanic.
That's good. That's good. Hopefully he can fix it. Okay. Please, Oga, please check.
Sorry, sir.
So yeah, I don't know. Is there any kind of? I would like to know if there's any kind of.
How this thing dey happen, madam? When this thing won't happen? Because I don't really understand. How did it happen?
I don't know. It just stopped like that. Starts.
And it no give you sign at all?
No. Wait a minute.
Madam, you know they notice anything for this car?
I don't know now. I don't know.
What are they drive for this car? This car go reach my shop. The car go reach my shop. You no go to drive.
I did job interview this morning. Now we see they talk.
Madam, I don't feel like the car go reach shop.
You know what? I can actually drop you off.
Really? Please, let's go.
Yeah. So
let's carry on.
No problem. Just take it to the back to the office. I'm sure she'll return back to you. Okay.
All right. Okay, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Sure.
See, when you are done, call me or tell me.
Okay. I'll call you, ma.
Come carry this your thing for ground.
No be every love they love. No be every pain they shout. Don't be deceived by that smile on. Cause you don't know what in person they feel inside. This thing I feel inside. This pain I feel.
What's happening? What did I do? Lord, what did I do? Somebody help me! I did not do anything! Somebody help me! Hey, somebody help me!
So we're here.
Hey there. So this is where you're having your interview?
Yes.
Nice. Wait. Was this not the school that was trending on Twitter the other day? Something about
3 missing persons.
yes, that. And this is where you're having your interview?
This is a prestigious school. Besides, the court has acquitted them and they're free from the case, so why not? Anyone would jump at the opportunity. Thank you for the ride anyway.
Okay. So well, can I have your number?
I don't give my number out to strangers. Thank you.
Really? Hi. Hello.
Hello, hi.
Do you see that?
What's that?
Yeah.
See what?
That. Can't you see that?
I can't see anything. The only thing I see is a young kid guy standing in front of me. So do you work here?
No. I came to drop off something for a friend. What about you?
Oh, I work here. My name is Grace.
Nice to meet you. Please, do you know the direction to the principal's office?
Oh, yeah. Just go straight and then you take your first right.
All right. Thank you.
All right. Yeah, bye.
Bye.
Don't be deceived by that smile.
I have gone through your papers, and I must say I'm really impressed. But more than higher qualified personnel, we here at Prestige pride ourselves in hiring personnel who have a certain sense of secrecy. Somehow, we like all our staff to understand that school information must always be protected.
I understand, sir.
You do? So, just curious, what do you think about the ongoing challenges that the school is facing?
You mean about the missing students?
Precisely, the missing students.
Well, in my own opinion, I honestly believe in the court's judgment towards this case. I mean, it's not possible for 3 people to get missing and no one would know.
You believe that, right?
I really believe that school is innocent.
Yeah, that's what I wanted to hear. Actually, you can resume immediately. The students are preparing for their WAEC exam, so you will take them in sciences until we can fill the slots.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. I do appreciate it.
I see the receptionist. She will show you to the housemaster.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. I can leave this here?
Yeah, this will be awesome. Felix, I was about to call you.
Sir, I don't know, is it a good time to see you, sir?
Hey, sit down.
Okay, sir. Sir, it's actually about the pressing matter on ground, the students, sir.
I don't understand.
Sir, why are we hiding this thing? The students, it's not like we killed them. No,
You think we should tell them?
Sir, just tell them the truth. It's not our fault. Our hands are clean. Just tell them that the student died.
Did you kill anybody?
No, sir. Go. Yes, sir. Me, I can't hide it anymore.
Have you told anybody?
No, sir. I can't hide it anymore. I just can't say.
There's no need to tell anybody.
Sir, no.
What we do, we'll go to the police together.
Sir, let's just...
Because it's a very sensitive thing. I know Prestige is a very prestigious school. And we need to take it up.
Sir, You know?
Hello? Blade, come to my office. Now. Immediately, I need you to come and clean up a mess. Yes, it's Felix. Yes. He was going to spill. He was going to talk. Hurry up. Hurry up. Let me lock my office door. It's work hour.
Oh, you're still here?
Hi. Yes,
Hi.
I am. You left your phone.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I didn't even know. Well, I owe you one.
Definitely. So I guess since you owe me one, you gotta give me your number.
I told you I don't give playboys my number.
Come on. Like, you left over a 2 million naira phone in my car. At least that deserves a number.
Nice try.
Yep.
Anyway, by the way, I got the job.
No way.
Yeah, so I start immediately.
Wow. Okay.
I have to get my things, my stuff from the house, and come back here.
Well,
I also contacted the mechanic, so my car will be ready too soon.
nice, nice. Congratulations. I guess that calls for a celebration.
Sure.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I guess I'll be seeing you soon.
Probably, but you know where to find me anyway. I'll be here.
All right. Okay. Wait. Well, you don't shake bad boys or play boys?
Bye.
All right. Bye.
You're all welcome to what is going to be a most defining moment of your life as a student. You all must understand that it was very important that the school made sure that you take your WAEC exams.
We didn't ask to be here. If I had a choice, I'll be at my dad's house or with.
Well, you do not have that choice. As you must have noticed, tonight there is no house master.
Sorry, sir. What happened to Mr. Felix?
Sadly, Mr. Felix resigned. So for tonight, you will all sleep in the staff quarters, each one to a room, until we can sort out the house master problem.
So, is that the reason why we are sleeping in the quarters and not the dormitory? Because we all know what happened.
Yeah. So we all saw the news. Up to now, we don't know what happened to Mr. Felicia and Aliyu.
You better watch your tongue, or I'll have you disciplined. Because what you are insinuating never happened the way that you say you did. Well, so for tonight, you will sleep in the house quarters. And tomorrow, you will start lessons for your WAEC. We'll be starting with the sciences. I would like to introduce a new teacher, Miss Zikora.
Hello.
She will be taking you in biology and other sciences until we can fill up all the other teaching slots. So,
welcome.
Everything has been said. You'll be good. Zikora, it's your class. You take care of that. All right? Be good students.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Beautiful.
Okay.
Welcome.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay, settle down. Good afternoon, class. Good afternoon. Like your principal said, I am Miss Zikura Maweze. I'll be taking you on science. I hope you all love science.
I love biology.
Hey, bro.
Hi.
Joe. What's up? You want to come in?
No. I'm good. No, I was just worried and I felt heavy. I said I wanted to talk to someone. I said, let me come reach out to you if you could talk to me.
Are you good? What's up? Talk to me.
You know, Lucy's mom came to our school today, yeah?
Lucy's mom came to the school.
Yeah, I saw it on the news. She was at the school gate and she was protesting about Lucy, asking the schools to give her Lucy's body.
So, what does that have to do with us?
I feel like she knows something's wrong. I feel like she knows Lucy's dead.
She doesn't know shit, man. We are not murderers. We didn't kill anybody. Whatever happened that day happened by mistake, accident, pure accident. So, don't let your guard down, okay? Just be normal. You know?
No, I feel like we overstepped on it with Lucy. We did too much, or we even crossed the line with Lucy.
Bro, we didn't do shit. We didn't do anything, you understand? So it was a mistake. It has nothing to do with us. We should be calm. By the way, the school has everything under control. The principal, he has everything covered. So you know nothing. We know nothing. He has nothing, clearly nothing to do with us. There's nothing to do with us. You should chill. You just have your...
Nah, I'm good. I was just feeling kind of heavy, so I wanted to just, air out how I feel and all that. But
yeah, I think you need to, then sleep. You need to sleep and say nothing to anybody.
Alright, I'm good now.
Yeah.
I'll head back to my room.
Yeah. You need to head back to your dorm and don't say shit to anybody. Be a good boy, Jojo.
Alright.
Yo, Manchi.
Good night.
Good night. We didn't do anything. It was an accident. We did dead rest.
You see the babe now, she know they answer me. All the text messages, all the call, she know they answer me again.
Nah, your problem now.
Based on just...
Don't pass. You still the hammer on this matter.
Make her free the babe.
Yeah, free.
You know, see how the body be.
You're a fine boy now. Normally, you go get check anytime you want. Get over this girl, man.
Honestly, you are just lucky that I found this girl.
What girl is that?
Let me show you. Her name is Zikura. Fine babe. Sharp. Fine babe. This one makes sense.
Oh, she's sharp. Oh.
Yes, now. I catch him recently. Now where my mind did now.
That sharp guy, now. That's my guy, bro. Just did a recent one.
She did.
Really smart.
She did work for this. She just get this new job for this school. You know this school that was trending on X about like 3 missing students?
Which school is that?
Last school now that was trending. This one. See now.
Yeah, I know this school.
Yeah.
That's school that.
I swear now where she get job. Omo. Very, very scary thing. I know. Right? I don't even understand what kind of mind she gets. They are looking for a house master.
Sharp.
Omo. You know what?
What do you want to do now?
I go apply.
God, I beg.
The new house master.
God, I beg. Onto waiting now. Onto what now?
Onto say I go day close.
Bro, you're taking risk, man.
Ha!
I swear, like the length you go for these girls, nah, not me, man.
That's why it's not you now. Of course, you're a big head. It's not you now. You want to come and scatter the same thing how you did my previous.
No disrespect me.
Don't worry.
No disrespect me. Tell you. Like I said, it's risky. You already said that.
Don't worry, I'm Mr. Risky.
Yes, boss. Okay, boss. Okay, sir. Bro, so we could free this woman. Oh. This woman, your God know they sleep. God help you, eh? Wait till your hype or see. But I tell you, eh? You see that school? That school. I no want see you there at all. If we will see you, eh? This one we will do for you now small. No cross that school again, though.
Okay, leave him. The beat will beat himself, eh? I'm not sure that you go fit survivor. Where could they go? Where could they go? If they hear one, so they could not see for that school. Be on my day.
Lucio! They killed you just to keep you silent. But I know my daughter. You were never silent in this world. You will never be silent in the other. Listen, I used my blood. The same blood that is flowing in your face to summon you. Let all those that have had in your death do not rest until you take the life of those that have taken your life. I have nothing to live for. Nothing more. Nothing else more to live for. I give myself, sacrifice unto you. What I give myself, sacrifice unto you. Amazing wrong has been done to me.
You see something now? See, you talk too much. See, you see what they talk? You see what they talk? No, be what they talk. Hey, you, stop there! Who you be? Jesus Christ. Sonny, I'm one of them. Sonny.
What's happening here? What's happening here? What is happening? Why is she bleeding? I've been trying to stop her. She's not even listening to me. Is this blood? I'm saying. Everybody to the hall now. To the hall.
Square.
Follow them.
Stand up, come on, stand up. Come on. You come with me.
Rex,
Yeah.
I would say I'm the luckiest woman on earth to have a loving man like you, a king who loves unconditionally, who is supportive, kind, protective, and even places me above every other thing else.
Oh man, that's so beautiful. I really, really appreciate. I really do appreciate this. This like really means a lot.
I love you.
I love you too. Yeah, okay. Wait, oh.
Sorry.
Sorry. Jesus. Jesus Christ. Sakura. Sakura.
Careful. Settle down, everyone. Settle down. So why don't you pick a spot and we'll settle, okay?
Ma, is she sleeping here?
Yes.
She just beats as if she was mentally ill.
Daniel.
I don't want somebody to come and stab me in the night when I'm...
Daniel!
So I put her safe in mind. And she was using the blood to write something on the wall. How is she possible?
What blood? There was no such thing, okay? I have investigated. What she used to write whatever it was written on the wall was ink. Red ink. Not blood. Not blood. Okay, so don't go about spreading false rumors. Ms. Zikara.
Yes, sir.
Please make sure you put them in control. Okay? All right. Have a good night rest. Okay.
Sir, 1 minute. Now everyone settle in. All right, I'll be back in a few minutes. And no side talks. Sir? Quiet! Sir, when I cleaned the markings on the wall, it was clearly Bella's blood.
No. I checked. It was not blood, it was ink.
But sir, I even smelled her blood. It was blood.
It was ink. If I say it is ink, it is ink.
Yes, sir.
And it was ink. It is ink.
Yes, sir.
I'm sorry. I know you came to this institution to be a teacher. But our challenges now mean we'll get a housemaster as soon as possible. And when we do that, we can relieve you of all this burden. Okay? So just bear with us.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Thank you very much. Have a nice night.
Hold on. Just give me a second. All right. Everyone listen up. Go to bed. Go to bed.
Please don't fight to me.
To bed. Hold on. Jojo, to bed. Stop it! Hello? Yeah. Do you know I thought you were joking when you said you were outside? Like seriously, it's late. I was already sleeping. What are you doing here?
Honestly, I had something very important to talk to you about. It's so important, babes. You need to listen to me.
What is it? What happened?
Listen, right? You see this job? Please don't take it. There's something dark around it and you wouldn't understand. You can't take it.
Are you for real? You drove all the way to my place of work simply to tell me that. Are you serious right now?
Listen. I know we've not known each other for so long.
Good.
So you wouldn't really understand. But there's something really dark and we need to leave this place immediately. We need to leave.
Are you serious right now? Teaching job is a very good job. And it's... Please, for the love of God, what is dark about it? Are you going to speak or what?
Okay, listen. Okay, so I had a very big dream, like a nightmare. A very, very scary nightmare, and it was so real.
Wait. Rex? Rex, right? What is it that you're smoking? Because I'm sure it's one of those things that those lucky boys smoke, right? You had a nightmare under the influence of what? Whatever you smoked, right? Look, I don't want to see you, so you better lose my name and my number. And I mean it.
Babes!
You feel that popping in your chest? That's not fear. That's guilt. My mother begged for my body, but they gave her blood and bruises instead. She gave her pain to the sea, but the sea gave me back. Your silence fed the curse. Now, the truth will feed the night. The truth will set you free! The truth will set you free! You're dead!
Calm down.
Hello? Anybody? Hello? Can you hear me? You scared me.
I'm so sorry. Honestly, I'm sorry.
You haven't left?
Yeah, I was trying to go, but my car wouldn't start. I think I'm down on water, so I was trying to call you on your phone, but it wasn't going through.
I blocked you.
Blocked me, really? Why would you do that?
Look, I don't have time to explain, okay? The reason why I'm outside is because I had cries and I came out and I didn't hear anything. But when I stood there were cries. I don't know, it just stopped all of a sudden, so.
But wait, I can actually hear some crying.
Rex, I said before, not now, like it was before.
But I could actually hear some crying now.
Rex, what do you take me for, seriously?
Like a girl crying. It's coming all the way.
You're not playing with me, right?
Come on, I'm not playing. I'm actually hearing some crying like going on.
Well, my students are accounted for. Everyone is there. So, can we go and check? I'll give you water.
Okay, please do, okay? All right, let's check it out. Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go. Let's go. Take it this way. Come, it's this way. Come, just come. I think it's coming from there. I think it's coming from there. Come.
Rex.
I think it's coming from there. Just come. I think it's a student.
What?
It's a student.
Sorry. Who are you?
I'm a student here.
Are you with the SS3 class? But why haven't I seen you with the others?
I just got here.
Why are you crying?
I haven't seen the others.
Yeah, that's because the principal moved all of us to the exam hall to sleep. Okay? Why are you in uniform this night? Anyway, it's fine. It's late, okay? Rex, I'll take her to back, alright? Let her be with the others and, of course, change. She can't be in this uniform.
Yeah, are you sure?
She's a student. Anyway, bring your cake. I'll get water and bring it for you later. Bring it. You go to the car. I'll bring the water for you. Did you hear what I said? This Rex? Let's go. Okay? Sorry.
What's going on? Stop! Stop!
They're all asleep. Okay, why don't you pick a spot and settle down, right? I have to get some water. Rex?
Thank you. Thank you so much.
This is what I asked for.
Thank you. Wait, Sakura, please, 1 second, babes.
What now?
Listen, all right? That babe, that girl, there's something wrong about her.
What happened now again?
I don't know how to explain this, but there's something definitely wrong about her. And I need you to listen to me.
Please, please, don't tell me it's those your stupid nightmare or something. Look, I just cannot take it right now.
Look at that girl. Do you see the way her uniform was dirty and so much stain of like sand?
So what? So what? So what? I mean, it's late, so I should do what? Take her to the bathroom and we'll give her a wash or a bath? Or send her out? So, look, please. I've given you your water. Whatever it is, you could fix it, right? Please!
I'm trying to help you. God, why does she not understand? Oh, God. You just... Oh, God. Zikora! 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 Oh my God. Zikora!
Rex, what is your problem again? What are you still doing here?
Babes, you see that girl that you took inside? That's the girl that has been missing. That's the same girl that has been rumored to be dead. That's the same girl.
Rex, I think you're sick.
Listen. Watch. See. Who's this? Look. That's the same girl. Yeah. That's the same girl. That's the girl you took inside. She's rumored to be dead, apparently. Where you going? Come, let's go. We need to leave.
Rex, are you sick or something? My kids are in there, my students.
Listen, you can't go back inside. There's a lot of dangerous things that's going to be happening inside. We need to leave.
You think I'll just leave there? I'll just leave you? Look, they're my responsibility, okay? If anything happens, I'll be held accountable. I can't believe you.
Wait. Try to understand. There's a lot of dangerous things that's going to happen and you need to make sure that you save yourself first. So come, let's go.
Rex, I'm not going with you. I need to save my students. Enough! They left us to die. Now, I will let them live. Just long enough to suffer. Not just the guilty. You all will scream and bleed. Blood from your bones. The bell rang, but nobody came. Let your hands do what your hearts hide. Fight each other!
Stop! What's going on? Please stop!
Remote. Join them.
What are you doing? Stop it now! Sakura, stop! Stop!
Yo, David, how are you now? You see, I'm not feeling fine. That's why I didn't come to school today. Are you okay now? David, what is wrong? David, are you okay? David! David!
You got
There. Oh, my good afternoon,
Ah, you are back from school?
Yes, ma'am.
How are you?
Fine, ma'am.
How was school today?
Fine, ma'am. Grandma, when I was coming, I saw David on the road. I was talking to him, he did not even answer me. And when I was passing by his house, I saw plenty of people. Hope nothing happened.
You saw David?
Yes, I saw David, of course.
Are you sure it was David you saw?
Yes, I saw David.
Are you sure you saw David?
I saw David now. I saw not David, my friend.
Is it the one you saw?
Yes.
Ha! Chineke mi, mkpụrụ obi David is ike n'udo n'aha Jesus. Eh? Come. David is dead. I was there in their house this morning. He was sick.
But I saw David. I saw David just.
It was his ghost you saw. Don't tell anybody you saw any ghost. Don't tell anybody you saw anything again. Please listen to me. You hear? You hear, my son? Don't tell anybody you saw anything. David is gone. He's dead this morning. He was sick now.
Just now, I saw David.
It's not David, it was his ghost you saw. David is sick. I was in their house now. That's why you saw plenty crowd in their house.
You mean I saw ghosts?
It was a ghost you saw. Don't tell anybody.
Yes, ma'am.
You understand, Abby?
Yes, ma'am.
Please don't tell anybody anything, yeah? Okay. When you go inside, go and change. I'm coming to meet you now. There are two types of people on this earth. People will not get anything. But they don't say people will get power there around them. The second type of people are people that have powers. They can be gods living among us.
But, Grandma, what about my father?
You don't have to think about that. Forget about that for now. The only thing I can tell you now is that the night your mother died, giving birth to you, the only reason why you did not die is because of your father. When your mother was pregnant of you, she saw a masquerade in the night she was not supposed to see. Any pregnant woman that sees that masquerade dies with the child. But you did not die. Instead, you came to this world that night, even though it was not your time. You are not just any child. You are gifted. Never forget that. Do you hear me?
What's wrong with you? Stop it! What are you doing? Stop! Stop! Stop it! What is wrong with you? Oh! Stop! Please! Stop it! You're gonna make me Stop it! Stop! You okay? Are you okay? Stop! Stop it! Stop it! Are you okay?
Plane. Ah, thank God. Thank God. Are you guys okay?
When I was a child, my father did save my life by giving me these markings, which I later covered up with tattoos.
And it has always been protecting me since I was a child. And I think that's what's gonna help us. Listen, this ghost, this spirit, she's seeking for revenge. And she's not gonna stop till she gets what she wants. So we have to find out what they did to her to stop her before things actually get really, really bad. What's that? Are you okay? Your eyes.
Good morning, students. So, I just had a very terrible nightmare. And this nightmare is endangering to every one of us here right here. You all cannot go back to your rooms because there's an evil spirit hovering around this school. And we all have to stay here together to make sure that we are safe. You can't go back to your rooms because there's an evil darkness around this school.
What darkness? What darkness?
Sir.
Rex, new housemaster, what darkness?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir. This is my first night in this school as the new housemaster. I can tell you for a fact that there's a big darkness roaming around this school.
Oh, get away with all such rubbish superstitions. What are you even saying?
Sir, there's a dark, evil spirit roaming around this school looking for vengeance. And it will not stop till it kills every one of you.
Well, that's a lie. That's a bloody lie. You all go back to your rooms and sleep. And we can get.
Who is Lucy? Who is Lucy? And is it true that she was killed in this school premises? And you all are responsible for her death?
Wow, this is serious. Expelled from 2 schools? History of violent outbursts? Intermittent explosive disorder?
Mr. Principal, he lost it. But he's good now. Because he has been through a series of medical therapies and then counseling.
That's very touching. Well, I'm sure you're not here for my sympathy.
No. Mr. Principal, we are here for a second chance. Every school told us away. But your school.
Okay. And that's why you're here. For a second chance.
Exactly.
Well, Sanusi, what you are asking me to do is to risk the safety and the reputation of this institution. One slight wrong move, and this institution will be trending for the wrong reasons.
Mr. Principal, that's why I came to you. You understand? I know. That's why I came to you. Directly.
Seriously? In that case, why are we dancing? I will go straight to ask the question.
Go ahead, Mr. Principal.
What is in it for me?
Mr. Principal, as you know, his father, my brother, is running for the next Senate president in this country. And if he becomes the Senate president, the school budget here, based on the renovation and every other thing, will make sure they settle it. And the whole facilities and everything. Also, even the school bus can be added to it.
Now you are speaking my language. Yeah, you are speaking my language. But let's be clear about it. I do not care about past mistakes. This institution is a stepping stone to every student who aspires to become something in future.
Sure.
So, Aliu can resume with the SS3 students. But if he causes even the slightest ripple, I will cut him loose immediately.
No, Mr. Principal. He's a good boy now. I mean,
I'm not worried about if you let me down or not. I'm only worried about how soon you can fulfill your promises. But not to worry, it's all done. I will have the administration put his details down. And Mr. Sanusi,
thank you very much.
Welcome,
Mr. Principal,
to Prestige International School.
Thank you very much. I appreciate your time. And the family will make sure we come through for you.
Yes.
At any time.
So we can make history.
Together.
Okay.
Mr. Principal, thank you very much.
Sanusi. It's been a pleasure. And be good.
He will.
Yes,
Mr. Principal.
You'll be a good boy.
Seriously, this book, I can't get it. No,
just stop.
No, it's not entering. It's not. Bread. It's not working. Mission.
Now let me read in peace.
What's funny?
What's funny?
You need to shout for that. Did you come back?
Just no just like that.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, sir.
Is there no teacher in this class?
No, sir. No, sir.
What happened? Oh, I see. Okay. We will be having a new student join us in this school. This is Aliu Sanusi. He will be writing your WAEC exams with you. So, the most brilliant student in the school, Lucy, please make sure he settles in. He will need a friend.
What's up?
Well, you guys, I will leave it to you. Be good. Lucy, be good. Okay, take care.
Nice to meet you. If you need anything, just let me know, and I'll show you the school around.
My love, meet your classmate. New boy, meet my babe. Stay clear, baby. I'm not showing him around now. No showing around. No, focus on me, baby. Focus on me alone. Focus. I have my love. Focus. There's a friend there. Talk to him. Afa, talk to him. My love, nobody should stop you. You need to focus on me. Build me. Make me brilliant too. Don't show this guy around. Put that energy into reading this thing and passing this exam for me.
I love Coronation Day.
I do. Ooh. Keep talking right the time.
Hey, new boy. Because you fine, come quiet. Officer, if you just blend in, like yama oil, just like that.
No, baby. In this class, we have rules.
Now, for every fresher and new student that comes to our school, our class, you have to go through our own ritual.
What ritual is that?
It's simple. All you need to do, pick one paper from the 3 folded papers. Do as is written. No complaint. No excuse.
And if I refuse?
You won't refuse, my boy. You won't. Because if you refuse, that means you give me the power to baptize your bag, your locker, your clothes, your books. I know you don't want that.
It's okay. I'll do it. Just for peace to reign. But that depends on what's in the paper.
Go for it already.
Yes.
Oh, I love this one. You have 60 seconds to kiss any girl in this hallway. You can get to pick anyone. Dark, light skin, petite.
That's not possible. How will I go ahead and kiss? I can't do that.
Let the countdown begin, please. 60.
I can't do it now. Listen to yourself.
55.
Stop it, please.
50.
Hey, please. I can't go ahead and just kiss someone there. I can't do it.
45.
I can't do it. Stop it, please. I can't kiss anybody now. Please stop.
25.
Are you listening to yourself? When I just walk up to someone, I just kiss them like that.
20.
I can't do it. Stop it, please. Please, I'm begging you. Please.
15.
Please.
10.
Enough!
No freaking way!
Jojo!
Why would you do that?
Didn't you ask him to kiss?
This one was not you! Yeah.
No way! No!
And why you kissed her? I swear. She was just being defensive. That's all. I just feel like
No way!
I cannot conceive what I just
No way!
You know, I just can't believe this. I can't believe you kissed him in front of the whole class. Are you mad? I just overreacted. I didn't know what I was doing. It wasn't planned. But you could have seen Ali's eyes. It wasn't just anger. There was something darker. Like he was about to snap. And I felt like I had to do something at that moment before things got uglier.
Okay. That's why you gave him your lips like first aid.
I told you it wasn't planned. And I had to do something to cut through the chaos.
You sure that's all it was?
Lucy. Can I talk to you privately for a second?
I'll be at our spot.
I'm sorry, before you say anything, I just wanted to tell you that I'm sorry about what I did earlier. It was really embarrassing and it will never happen again. I just felt like I had to do what I had to do because something was gonna get ugly and I was trying to save the situation.
I liked it.
Oh, what?
The kiss. I liked it. And actually, it was my first.
Your first what?
My first kiss. And I want it to be my last.
when you say last, are you dying?
No. I mean like, you are the first person I've ever kissed, and I want you to be the first and the only person I will kiss for the rest of the days of my life.
I have to study now with Oluchi.
All right.
Unless you want to join?
Yes. I'd like to.
He was not a kid when he fell in love, not knowing what it was. See, guys, I don't know why I feel like this is a new love story coming up. Didn't you guys see what happened? Yeah, that we've been trying to for so long.
Who is we? Who is we?
We now.
Oh, we! That's what you did.
Guy just came from nowhere. And she kissed him. In his presence. Sorry, in our presence. Not sharp now.
Valid. So sad though. He already lost the battle before he
Abio. I was even thinking the girl is somebody with, high standards. That guy just resumed and she just kissed him. She didn't wait for a week.
Can you be quiet? She was trying to be a hero, that's all.
Yeah, I get the guy. I can be a hero, baby. He's a hero. Somebody that came to collect the apple of our eye in your presence, in our presence. Bro, just accept that you are dull. Just accept.
I am not dull.
Jojo.
Relax.
Don't start fighting now.
I never reached. Let's go take the
This is what we're doing now.
Hold it, big girl.
Honest with you, Jojo. See, this is not the time for us to actually now sit back and not fight back. Because in the school, we'll not start seeing him as a lion. It's not going to happen, no.
See, listen, Jojo. I know you're very, very angry right now, but guy, this is not the time to get angry now.
Tell him.
This is time to fight. Bro, this is not you. You are Big Joe. Have you forgotten who you are? Nobody dares touch you, bro. We built this shit brick by brick, bro. Come on now.
Bro, we know how the school runs. We are the 4 big G. And we run things here. We run it through fear. So what's it gonna be, man?
He embarrassed me. He made me feel weak in front of Lucy.
That is the point.
I, Big Joe.
Biggest Joe.
I'm going to make him kneel for me and beg for it.
I swear. Big Joe. That is my Big Joe. Nobody dare come to him. I swear. What's the meaning of that? What is the meaning of that?
Sir,
You summoned the entire school over a nightmare? Rex, since when did the school administration begin to respond to people's dreams?
Sir, it wasn't just a nightmare, sir. I saw something. I felt it.
Exactly. You felt it. You dreamt it. Rex, this is not a prayer camp or a psychiatric ward. This is a learning institution. So just because there were some missing students a few months ago, does not mean that you should go around creating paranoia and panic all over the whole campus. And whatever agenda you are pursuing, better let it go. Better let it go, because we are not going to allow any form of fear-mongering in this school.
Sir, I understand, and I'm not trying to cause trouble. I swear it. But you have to understand, this is something that is not like a normal dream. I felt it, sir. It looked so real.
Listen, Rex, you can't go about triggering panic in the entire institution just because of a nightmare, no matter how real it felt.
I'm sorry, sir. I understand.
No, Rex. What you saw was fear. Fear finding a place in your imagination. And let me warn you, If you continue to indulge it, you will lose everything. Good morning, class.
Good morning, sir.
Today marks the beginning of your mock examinations. This is your last chance to rehearse before the WAEC exams proper begin. I will expect maturity, obedience, and I will expect coordination. You all will expect the external examiner. There will be no malpractices, no mago-mago. I want absolute peace. If any of you disgraces us, I will personally ensure that I turn your life into a documentary on how to fail in life. Who is that?
It's me, Stella.
Yes, come in. Why'd you bang my door like that?
I didn't bang the door.
You banged my door? You say you didn't bang my door?
No, sir, I did not. I just closed the door. I didn't bang it.
What do you have for me?
This is the paper you said I should bring for signing, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Yes. And then that's it.
You didn't kill me with your hands. No. You killed me with your silence.
No. No.
You chose your school's name over my life. Now my name will haunt your walls forever.
Sir, is something wrong?
Huh?
Is something wrong?
What?
It's me, Stella.
Stella?
Yes, sir.
Stella?
Yes, sir.
Where's the paper you gave me to sign?
It's on you.
Hey, take it. Get out. Get out!
Jojo, caught red-handed smoking. Shouldn't you be in your room doing your homework?
Zikora, it's you. See, you don't scare me.
What did you just say?
Zikora, you know, I've been liking you, yeah? I've been watching your style, your vibe, the energy, yeah?
Jojo, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay, Miss Zikora. Don't shout. I know you like this thing. You're forming tough, you're shielding yourself, but I know you need a man. No.
Jojo, what do you think you're doing?
Zikora, don't shout. It's just me and you. Yeah, I know you need me.
Jojo, are you okay?
I'm alright, Zikora. See, there's no one here. It's just you and me. We can always, you know, get...
Sir, Jesus, no. You want to rape me?
No, sir.
So this is what you have become?
Sir, I thought...
You are gay?
Jesus.
You have joined them.
Hey.
So you want to rape me?
No, sir, I thought...
You thought what? You thought what?
Sir, I thought...
The smoke or whatever substance you're taking must be affecting your brain. You thought what? Look, I know you are not alone. I know your filthy friends and gang must be around here somewhere, but tomorrow I will make an example of you. This must end. This cannot continue in these institutions.
I'm sorry, sir.
Listen closely. The instructions for this mock exam are strictly different. No side talk, no whispering, no murmuring. Have it? Have it. So, today's exam is simple. It's a simple yes or no question. But there is a golden rule. Do not write anything until I ask you to do so. If you answer correctly, you live. But if you answer wrongly, you die. I said no more. Oh, you think it's a joke? You know what? Give it to me.
Stop, please.
Give it to me.
Very sorry. Stop.
Give it to me! Now listen to me.
I'm so sorry.
No, I'm sorry, sir.
No need to be sorry. Look at the board. Okay, Lucy. You.
Sir, I don't understand, sir.
You mean stand, did you? You don't know. And you!
I don't know, sir.
Then you lie. What's up here? What's up here? What's up with you? What's happening here?
The vigilator that came was the night and he wanted to kill us. And
Which invigilator? He has been with me in my office.
well, he was here. He wrote.
He has been with me in my office. What's up?
Look at the boy.
What is happening in this school?
He wrote kill Lucy and it was a knife. I think it's what he wrote. It's ghost, sir. It's ghost.
What's on the board? I say.
Sir, there's time like this.
Hey, you. Ow! What are you saying? You have been with me in my office?
No! Yes!
He was here?
Yes!
You saw him?
Yes!
Mommy!
Yes! With knife!
What's happening in school? What is happening? Ah! He has been with me in my office. Why is she so hysterical?
Sir.
What
happened there? You.
It's ghost. I think it's his ghost. Because that ghost? You were here, sir. You were
me? Oh! Hey! This man has been with me in my office.
No! You want to kill us?
Who's there? Who's there? Who is there? You don't have to do this, right?
You don't even know what this is.
But I do. I know pain when I see one, and vengeance doesn't fix it.
You think I'm here for revenge?
Aren't you?
No. I'm here because no one spoke. Because no one came when we screamed. Because silence buried us deeper than death did.
Okay. So let me help. Let me help.
Help.
Yeah.
You're not a part of this. You don't belong here.
But I do now. Zakara is part of it, and then the kids. So who's gonna protect them?
This school didn't protect us. They watched. They lied. Now, they'll learn.
But it's not everyone that hurts you.
Please stay out of this. This isn't your story. Don't make it your ending.
But you already brought me into it.
Then leave while you still can. I'll turn their days into nightmares. I will twist their eyes to see horror in everything they look at, even in light. They will run from shadows that aren't there. Leave while you still can.
So you think this is a game, Joseph?
Sir?
Half the final year students ran out screaming, hallucinating, hysterical, calling things like guns, knives, and fake examiners. And you were always at the center of it.
Sir, it wasn't just me. Everyone ran out, everyone was screaming. It wasn't just me. My really started screaming, not me, self, not even me. Innocent.
And it conveniently disappears when school authority appears. And did I not catch you smoking last night on school property? Hallucinating and mistaking me for Miss Zikora. Do you know what that suggests?
Sir, it was just cigarette. I swear, it was only cigarette, nothing more.
You're a liar! Oh, big liar! You're a big liar. Because what I smelled was not common tobacco. Only God knows what you and your gang are smoking. Hallucinogens. Pills. Maybe even deeper. I now begin to suspect that you must be behind this missing student's palaver.
No, sir. I swear on everything I have, sir. I don't know anything about any missing students. I swear I don't know anything about them, sir.
You can swear all you like. Let me tell you, Joseph. For every problem, there is a root. And if I find out that you are the root of this problem, God help you. God help you. I will make you a scapegoat from this day, and you will wish that it was just only suspension.
Sir, please.
Get out of my office. I said, get out of my office. Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon, sir.
What happened this morning on campus has sent shock waves and confusion throughout the campus. Hearing rumors of ghosts, spirits, hallucinations. Let me be clear. This is not a shrine. This is not your village square. This is an institution, one of the most prestigious colleges in this state. What we do here, we recreate the future. We train minds for tomorrow. What is happening so far is an insult to everything that we stand for. Ghosts do not exist. What exists is distractions. What exists is hallucinations. Like the other day, I caught one of your so-called seniors, Joseph Jonah, smoking on campus, smoking in the school premises. And I have reason to believe that he is the poison behind all the rumors that are going around in this school.
Yes.
Cigarettes today, drugs tomorrow. All these fabrications, they are lies. Conjecture meant probably fabricated so that you will not write your mock exams. But I'll get to the bottom of this. Joseph Jonah, from today, you will become the school cleaner.
What's funny?
You will clean every room, every hall, every toilet, every classroom on campus. And you will be supervised by Rex. Let this sound as a warning to any one of you caught peddling fear or rumors, or anyone who is found to be out of order will be flushed like a bad infection. Flushed out. So now you will continue as the good students of this school. Good day. Assembly dismissed.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks, sir.
I swear. I have an idea. You know that we don't know book now. So she just do it after test.
Oh.
And I know that Lucy is brilliant.
What's the point there? Oh?
You're right.
Yeah, let us not hurt her till after test.
You're right, though.
Abby?
After the test.
We strike.
Abby?
Calmly.
Calmly.
Big Jojo.
Intensively.
Hey.
After
Don't
test,
worry.
oh.
After
Abby?
test. Yes, after test. After test.
After the test,
Yes.
Test don't
I'm
they
going
come.
to make the two of them kneel before me.
I swear.
Understand? We run this class. We run
Yeah.
this school.
Yeah.
That's after the test.
Manche.
After the test.
After the test. Yeah, after the test.
See, man.
And then we teach her a lesson. Yes. Both of them.
After the test, Abby?
Yes, after the
I
test.
swear. I swear.
Let's be calm. After the test, we show them who's boss.
Jojo.
For BG.
If they say solve for x in 3x minus 5 equals 16, what that means that you're going to carry 5 over here. And when you take 5 over here, what you have is 3x equals 21, then x equals 7. Perfect. What did you guess?
This one no dey read though.
He's reading face, not math. But did you understand what I said?
Not really, but I'd like to explain it all over again.
Never going has lockdowns. Focus, Ali.
I'll try. Wow. Book club is a session. Even the new boy joined them. Oh. Impressive.
No, Aliyu, I thought the only thing you're good at is taking cases. I didn't know you're good at tests.
Lucy. Lucy. Lucy, hope you are ready for two now. As usual now. Is it one? Straight. No time for kisses. Stories.
Are you here to read or you are here to stop?
Shh, I'm not. No, stop running your mouth, big boy. See, we are only being civil because of her brain. Yeah? But if you keep running your mouth, I'll show you what uncivilization looks like. You feel me? So, shh.
Okay.
Read, boy.
Hey. Not the time. You're a parasite. Who's waiting to feed off all that?
So what do they mean by prepared to answer sheets?
Every time I write a test, I make sure I write another one. So I either pass it to them or under their desk. That's how they pass.
You don't get caught?
Who's going to suspect the smartest girl in school? Plus, I play safe.
Do they like threaten you to do this?
I know it's wrong, but I just want peace, that's all.
You see, this peace you keep giving them is at your own cost. Listen, you've helped me before when no one else did. Let me help you now.
Ali, please, don't try anything funny because of me. Ali, don't try anything funny because of me.
Can we continue?
What did we stop?
Let's see.
Hey, you do what?
Ali, what are you doing? Sorry, sir. I made a mistake on the rough sheet. Didn't mean to cause any distraction. Sorry.
Very careful there, boy.
All right, sir.
You just signed your death papers.
What the hell was that, Aliyu?
You mean the paper?
Yes, your papers. You tore them. Why? In front of the class. In front of them. Do you have any idea what you just started? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. You think I'm weak? Because I do what I do? You think I'm some coward? No! I just choose my peace because of where I'm from. Aliyu, I'm the only child of a widow who works 3 jobs just to keep me in the school. I'm not here from
family name or connection or whatever it is. I'm here because of a scholarship. And I came with a warning. Do not bring trouble. Do not bring me shame. I'm just trying to survive in this school. That's why I give them answers. That's why I let them laugh and whisper and act like gods. Because they're not my focus. The happiness of my mother is...
And in return, you've made yourself so small to fit into their world. You made yourself so small to fit into their world. Like, they treat you like a tool. Like you owe them something.
You don't understand.
I understand. I do. I understand. What's going on? See, Lucy, your silence and your so-called peace is a fertilizer to trigger whatever is going here. And it's not going to end with you. Some young and upcoming Lucy will suffer the same thing too. Don't suffer the same thing. That what's going on? Right. See, Lucy, listen. I love you. I love you so much. See, if anyone dare use their mouth to insult you, if they dare insult you, I'm going to push them so hard that their tongue will be so difficult to spell your name. If anyone hurts you, I will break their bones. I will shatter their bones into pieces. And that, I swear.
What is wrong with him? Why is he so angry? This is what I felt the day I kissed him. But this time, not even a kiss can stop this storm.
Yeah? Hell no. I just finished sweeping this place. I just finished sweeping that side too. Where is all this was coming from? Someone's playing game here with me or something. Because I have sweeping water from there for 4 hours. I sweep it, grass come back. I sweep grass come back again. I'm not to play again though. Tired. Sweeping here, it's bringing back leaf. I'm sweeping there, it's bringing back leaf. Somebody not play games with me here.
How is it going? Royal, super, Joseph, the janitor. But wait, though. You haven't done anything yet, though. But yet, you're sweating like a goat.
Sir, please don't piss me off. Please, sir. Sir, I've been sweeping this fountain for about 4 hours.
I sweep there from nowhere. Something just mysteriously bring leaf back again. I sweep that side. Mysterious leaf will now appear again. It's like somebody's mocking me or something. I'm not taking it again.
Are you sure about that?
How else will I be sweating like a Christmas girl if I not be sweeping this thing for hours?
Don't worry, Jojo. I believe you. I believe you. But this is no coincidence. I've seen this before. It's them. The ones we thought were gone. The ones no one speaks about. Jojo, we don't have time anymore. Only I can help you. But you have to trust me. You have to tell me the truth. What happened to Lucy, Oluchi, and Aliwe?
Nice try, sir. Nice try. That's what, sir. See, I don't know how you do this thing or how you always do it, but I feel like you have like a magnet under your leg. You just stick it to the sand, so when you walk on it, you can pull out the drama. But whatever drama you're trying to pull right now to get me to say something I don't know nothing about is not going to work. Sir, it's not going to work. I did not do anything. I don't do anything, and okay, the bell is ringing, sir. I have to go.
Joshua.
Sir.
Listen to me. We all don't have any more time, okay? And you have to trust me. It's not about you. It's all about us. Okay, listen to me.
Sir, Jojo the cleaner has nothing to do.
This is some private matter, okay?
What are you on about?
It's right. I mean, you're right. This thing about ghosts, you're right.
Wait, say that one more time.
You know, I don't like repeating myself, but whatever it's going on at school, it's... Okay, fine. I still stand and claim that your stories are dramatically ridiculous. However, whatever is happening in the school, it's just unnatural, paranormal.
It's a ghost. None of this whatever you're talking about. Listen. It's a spirit. And it's wicked.
Whatever it is, Rex. Whatever it's happening in the school is sick. Yes, it's a sure thing. I mean, your stories now that I see them ridiculous before are not normal. They're not ridiculous anymore. It really scares me.
Listen, I told you it would get worse. I knew it, okay? But listen, I'm here and I'm not going anywhere. And I'm going to make sure I protect you, okay? Believe me. Just listen to me, all right? I got you, okay?
Sorry to interrupt. Zagora, can I see you for some seconds?
Sure.
Okay.
Sure.
So have you told him?
Told who?
About what we discussed last night, or have you forgotten?
Please refresh my memory. I can't remember what we discussed last night.
Sikora, are you being serious right now? I opened up to you. I told you I really like Rex, and I wanted him. And you told me you were going to help me.
Grace, wait. You're joking, right? Because this is the most hilarious thing I've heard. No, don't worry. You go.
I'm not joking.
You're not joking.
Do I look like I'm joking? Stop playing dumb with me, Zikora.
Is everything okay?
Apparently, Grace said we had a discussion last night, and I promised to help her get you both together and tell you she loves you.
You're serious?
Mm-hmm.
Love me?
Mm-hmm.
No, come on now. Grace, come on now. We're guys now. We are friends now. What do you mean by love me?
What? Well, I really like you, Rex.
No. Come on, stop that now. Grace, like we are guys now. We're family now. We go way back now.
Both of you think this is a joke, right? They don't blame me.
Did I do anything wrong? But wait, hold on. By the way, did you actually promise her that?
I don't remember anything like that.
You know what? This has to be the top most weirdest thing that's happening in this school today. I can't believe that. Okay.
Why is this always happening to me? No matter how good I try to be, they keep doing this to me always, all the time. Why? I trusted her. How could she do this to me? So painful. It's so painful. It's so painful. It's okay. She's going to pay. I'm going to show her. She's going to pay. Problem. I'm going to show her.
Don't be deceived, but that's my love.
Sorry, shit.
No, it's in person, they feel inside. This thing I feel inside. This pain I feel inside.
Are you guys thinking one thing? Which is this Rex guy. Yeah, I don't feel he came into our school by chance or by coincidence. I feel like the principal wanted him here or planted him in between us to actually make us share our secrets and confess.
Exactly. Exactly, because this whole ghost story thing started the same week Rex resumed. This is not a coincidence.
Wait. Hear me out first. What if Rex is the ghost? What? Or the ghost is inside of him and he's using him to leak our secret or even get revenge, maybe.
Which one is, if it's the ghost, if Rex is the ghost, if it's the ghost?
Bro, I don't even know what to believe anymore. Yeah, what if it's the one? What if, see you go to our school. One story of ghost, to another story of ghost, to another story of ghost. Every single time it's a ghost story, ghost story, ghost story. See, what if he's the one bringing the ghost, the shadow comes with him?
Then why are we here? Why are we talking? Let us end it. If Rex is the problem, we solve the problem. We end him.
Are you saying we kill him?
Exactly. Yes. No. He's the problem, so we eradicate the problem and then we take him out. Tonight or tomorrow. Either way, something must be done.
But what if it's just a man?
We kill the man. Or if it's not, maybe that's our only way to survive.
That is what I'm saying, guys. So, no Rex. That means no more running, no more haunting.
I've always made sure that this thing is locked, but every time I come back, I will find it open again. Why?
Arrange it.
Let me show this one. Daniel. 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 Daniel, stop. Daniel.
Hey, stop that thing. Hey, stop making noise. Will you stop blowing? Stop blowing. Daddy, stop it in school. I'll stop. Stop.
Come, stop. I'm saying
Jojo, wait. Calm down. Relax. Relax.
I'll touch this boy.
Okay, what's happening?
This boy is not there playing with some stuff. What's going on here?
Guys, so yeah, what? They said stop now. Stop.
Oh. Touch. You collect it now.
Is it being funny?
It's okay. That's fine.
What's going on here?
We don't know what's going on with Daniel. No. Just met him here, agreeing with him, calling him.
Daniel, what's going on? Daniel, what's going on? Daniel!
Why you continue making them?
Allow now.
What's that? Are you dancing now?
Lucy, please, why are you doing this? Why? Oh, wait. Oh, no. Listen. Hey! Wait. See, wait.
It's not real. I promise you, it's not real. It's not real. No, it's not real. It's just in your head. It's your imagination. They just want you to lose control so you can destroy yourself. Look, see. It's not real. Please. Look, no one is here. It's no one. Get up. I promise you. Okay? I promise you, no one is here. Okay? No one is here. Okay? It's just your mind. They just want to kill you. Okay? Okay? So, just hold strong. You're stronger than this, okay? I'm gonna go look for others, okay? So just don't run, just stay still, don't flinch. Just be here, okay? I gotta go look for others, okay? Promise me, I promise you to stay. Okay, just stay, I'm coming. Just stay. Okay, I'm coming.
Run, it's sundown. Oh, Juju is coming. Don't make a sound. Be strong, we are. Survive the night.
What kept you guys so long?
Sorry, wait. We're trying to sneak out so nobody will know we are coming.
It's alright. You know, we are leaving this school. Yeah, as you all know, we know what we did. And somehow I feel like it's what we did that is causing all these things in the school. So, one way or the other, we have to leave.
I said it. Because the other day I was acting so weird. I caught myself. I was acting so possessed. What if it's a spirit that is haunting us?
See, that's why we have to leave, right? Yes, we have to leave. So have you guys packed your things?
Yes.
Leave every other thing. Let's just go. Leave every other thing that is left behind. Let's just go.
Let's go.
What about the securities? Security. I don't know. The security are not ground for days now, but let me check. Okay. Be careful. Okay. It's open. Let's go.
Hey! What is this?
What happened now? Wait.
We just passed.
No.
Are you cool?
No, they're not.
We are all right. Let's go. Come on. Let's go again. Let's go home. Let's go home.
Okay.
Jesus!
Don't you shout! You shout!
Jesus!
Let's try again.
No. Let's do something. Let's be sure.
Yes.
Don't go again.
Oh, we all to go. Oh no.
I'm dying!
Hetty, Jojo, it's late. What are you doing here?
We are tired of this financial thing. I want to go to my mother's house.
The thing is, we cannot even escape from here. We are trapped. We're trapped inside here.
Wait. I don't understand. We're trapped. What do you mean?
We tried 3 times. Same page, same place.
Anytime we leave that gate, we always find ourselves coming back here.
Oh, my mommy. Mommy.
So let me understand something. When you walk through this gate, what happened?
Come out here.
Come outside here. The same spot, even.
Yeah, Donna. Welcome back.
It's real.
Mommy, I have to go.
Jesus. Okay. Welcome back,
I told you.
Auntie, want to go again? Hey! Hey! My mommy.
It's okay, I knew it. It's happening. I was trying to tell you guys since. Now we are trapped. Listen, there's something strange. There's a spirit that has been roaming around and they're trying to trap us in this school. But don't worry.
We are sorry, spirit, we are sorry.
There's something going on. But don't worry. We're going to figure it out together, okay?
How? People are dying, how?
Okay, listen. First of all, we have to go back. Listen, guys. You don't understand. We need to go back.
Go back! Which one is it?
Listen. We need to go back and regroup and rethink what we have to do. Because staying back here, we are putting ourselves in danger, okay? So, what we're gonna do, we're gonna pick up our bags and we're gonna go back inside. Because right now, we are in danger, okay? So please, listen to me. We need to go. Let's go back inside.
Mommy.
Okay, we're gonna figure this out, okay?
Mommy.
I'm here. Let's go.
Mommy.
Students, I must confess, the incidents in this institution the past few weeks has been quite
alarming. The death of Daniel yesterday, to crown it all, came as rude shock. And as if that is not enough, we seem to have been cut off from the entire world. We can't move out. The telephones don't work. The internet itself is not working. I don't understand. I find this very strange. But I'd like to assure you that as your principal, I will do everything within my power to get to the root of this and relieve you of this discomfort. Meanwhile, I would like to urge you, even as you mourn, to cooperate with your teachers, with the current here and reps, so that you can come to a conclusive end of this problem. Okay? Be good students, okay?
What? I was telling my photo to shit. How?
Wait, calm down, guys. No. Hey, listen to me. Listen, guys. Listen. It's all in your head. It's all in your head. I promise you, this is not real. Okay? This is what the ghosts, they're trying to make you. They're meant to make you feel like you're eating shit. Oh my goodness. This is what they want to do. It's rice. See?
What are you saying, Rex? Even if you're right, what they can see is faces. Of course you don't expect them to eat this.
But they're gonna starve. That's the plan. That's the plan of the ghost. They want them to get starved so they would not.
You know what? We need to talk.
You don't understand. Trust me.
Rex, I think you were right all along. But the thing now is that we're trapped and we can't leave the school. And people are dying or killing themselves. Do you have any solution that we can use or come up with?
You know what? In my dreams, they were actually scared of my markings. Like the ghosts.
What do you mean they were scared of your markings?
Honestly, I don't know how to explain it, but if it could work in my dreams, perhaps it's gonna work in reality.
So how do we do it? Do we show it to them? What happens?
Yeah, I think that's it. Just show it to them. That's what it was in my dreams. Principal.
Why don't you use your markings?
She is the only one that ever loved me. She's the only one that I ever lived for. Got impregnated by a man who abandoned me and abandoned his child. Who is going to fight for a lonely orphan? They took my daughter away from me. Even after death, they made me beg for her body. They erased her name, ended our lineage. The laws of men failed her. Who is going to fight for a lonely orphan? This sorrow will not end. It will not end until justice is served.
You can hear us. That means you were chosen. Don't just fight for yourself, Rex. Fight for all of us. Bye. And then, peace will reign again. Stand for what is right, Rex.
I promise, I swear it. I'll seek justice. Even if it kills me, I'll stand for the dead.
Oh, thank you, God. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. Oh, thank you, God. Oh, thank you, God. Thank you, God.
You guys, please sit down. Let's sit down. Let's sit down.
Oh, thank you, Jesus.
So, first of all, there's something horrible that you guys have done. There's one of the students, or some of you guys have committed something bad. You've murdered, you've shed blood in this school. And the ghost, the spirit, they are not going to rest till they come for every one of us. Okay, so you have to confess. Yesterday, there was a student that died. Today, the principal got possessed. The meal turned into shit. We don't know what tomorrow is going to bring. And it's going to get worse from here. So you guys have to confess. I don't know whatever you have done, but you must confess. You must confess, okay?
Enough is enough. I'm tired of all this. I see her in my dreams every night. She's haunting me.
Bella, it's okay? Please, speak.
We did something very bad.
Hey, big boy.
Well, I was actually expecting this.
Oh. He's smart.
Nice one.
You know, it would have been easier if we just passed that paper. Just one paper. Pass it back to us. But no, you want to be a hero. Or maybe act like a fool.
He embarrassed us. Made us look weak. Everyone else in the school is laughing behind our backs.
So you think everyone is your tool? You think the school belongs to you, but guess what? It doesn't.
Oh, really, bro? Oh, you're about to find out.
Find out what?
Ah! Big Joe!
Oh, Archie!
You learn, bro!
That's what I'm talking about.
Big Joe! Yes.
Japping.
Are you strong?
That's what I'm talking about. That's a good thing to me. But shall we do?
Nothing.
Not to be strong. I thought too.
So weak, man. Come down, just read this.
Then the admit for real.
And where do you think you're going to? Huh? We're not done with you.
Just come down, relax.
What's it doing?
Relax.
Praying or something?
He's praying.
You must have come from actually kissing our golden girl.
Yeah.
And to top it up, guy, you get mind. Like, you thought we're only source of hope. Just like that. Just like that.
Listen,
Just like that.
I won't allow you mess with Lucy. You can't turn her to a doll that you keep messing around with.
What's your problem, man?
What's your problem?
See, you can't tell me what Lucy does or what she doesn't do.
I will talk! You can't tell me.
Come here.
Something like this. How are you? Let's go. Let's go.
And for that Lucy girl, we need to teach her a lesson.
You're right.
That whore deserves a lesson. Let's go.
Wait. Who is it for?
Sorry. Wait, is this pins? So there was this like this. Wait.
No. You killed him! That's blood. Did you hit him with that?
You gave it to me.
I gave it to you, but I didn't ask you to hit him with that. He said.
That's a no. You gave me the thing.
I just picked it just to help him out. You're supposed to save him, not kill him.
Wait! No, stop something! Wait! Let me check him! If somebody stops breathing, what does it mean?
You killed him!
Why did you hit him? I didn't know you had it. I didn't know you. I thought
Let's just leave it. There's no CCTV, nobody saw anything.
Yes. Oh, no CCTV, come on. Let's just leave. Let's go.
Hey! What's going on here? I just saw somebody. Who's that? Oh my God!
He's sleeping.
Aliu! We met him there. It was just there.
Yes.
Oh my God! I think he's dead. He's not breathing. No. He's probably sleeping. He fell on the floor. What did you monsters do to him? No! We didn't do it. You guys have mattress! Oh my God! You killed him! He just fell. He's not breathing.
We...
Mattress!
No!
You guys killed him! No! We didn't kill him! Oh my god! Oh my god, we didn't kill him! We have to talk to someone! No!
No, but she
No!
slept. No, she.
Oluchi,
we are not fighting again. We are.
okay, stand up! Oluchi, probably. Yeah, it's just it's soft now.
Is that?
That's blood. That's blood. You guys killed her. No, we didn't kill her. She just fell. She just fell. We didn't kill her. She just fell.
No. See, you're meant to ask. I didn't do nothing.
We're not murderers. We didn't do that.
Don't go. Lucy, don't go. Please.
Stand up. Oluchi, stand up. We didn't do anything. We didn't. She just fell. Just like that. Just right in front of you. Right?
Oh, you can't go. You can't go. She's asleep. You saw it.
Are you okay? It's okay.
What's wrong? What?
I heal her. Where?
This is right.
Heal her.
Yes. This is it.
Yes!
What are you doing?
She might die though. She's gonna die anyways. If we give her the hella, she'll tell the school they'll know what happened here.
You want to kill her?
You're right, supposed to know. She's right. She'll tell you.
Give us the hella!
No!
Just one.
No! We didn't do anything. We're not kill her. No! Let us stay there.
When I put here, this character is speaking like this. We are not going to see with that. It's not like say to be fine. You are admitting that. Let her be. If you leave her to live, you die. You get don't.
She's just probably sleeping. No one. Stop. Guys, we didn't kill anybody. She's not murderers. Come on, just yes. Let's go.
We can't go. They're not food right.
Fine then. Let's go.
She's not thinking.
Let's take their bodies.
Why? Who's hiding the body?
I don't know.
It's okay.
It wasn't even intentional. It wasn't intentional. I promise it was like this.
It's okay. Okay, listen. Okay. Okay. Where are the bodies?
We kept them in one of the old blocks in school. It wasn't intentional.
Rex. The bodies were found in the old block in a classroom, a disused classroom. And I saw the bodies. But we had to think of the reputation of this school. I felt that such an incident became public. This school and all the effort, all the years should go to waste. So the bodies.
Good gracious God! Come here!
They are dead, sir. They are dead.
They're dead!
She found them when she cleaned up on them when she was doing her job, sir.
She saw them!
Should we call the police? Okay.
So, police? No. Wait, let me think. No one must know about this. This must not leak. If it does, this school is finished.
So, what about the papa, mama, parents?
Tell the parents that they are missing. For now, until we can find out what exactly is going on here.
Sir,
Felix, get security. Get security. We must do something about this. Right? Get security quickly. Okay. You. Wait, let me take some pictures. Move this boy away. Come on, move him! Move him! Touch him! I said touch him! Move him! Your body shaking. Get away from him.
Alhaji, I hate to say this, but your nephew has committed a very heinous crime. A very unforgivable crime.
Mr. Joe, what are you talking about?
Aliyu was caught in the act. He murdered 2 female students, Oluchi and Lucy. He was caught. The security man saw him and chased him, but he escaped. And he has not been seen since. His last words were, "I'm not fit to be among people."
Are you certain that you saw Aliyu?
I took that picture the day we disposed of the bodies.
So Aliyu have started killing people now? I know he's a very stubborn boy and he fight and do all this, but now he start killing people?
I was going to report the case to the police. That would have been the easiest part for me. But then I remembered that Aliyu's father is running for Senate next month.
Yes.
And if this gets out into the public, everything will collapse. His reputation, his image, his legacy. And as for me, I accepted a student with a case of intermittent explosive disorder. A documented behavioral issue on his case file.
So if I'm getting you right now, you want our family to protect you, so in return you will protect our family name.
Exactly. Alhaji, I can declare the students missing. Hey, caused a lot of opera. There will be a lot of noise. There might even be a court case. But I will never connect it to Aliyu.
Don't worry. I'll talk to my brother. When I talk to my brother, we'll look for a judge that we can trust to take up the matter. But if the matter escalates, we'll make it disappear. But as for that Aliyu, if I get hold of him, we'll deal with him ourselves. But if not, my brother has 14 children. So his family name will continue.
It's okay. It's okay.
Oh my God.
I'm not God, so I can't judge. Okay? I think what she wanted was confession. And I think we've actually done that. So I think we're free. I think we're free. Okay?
Rex, stop joking. How do you know we're safe?
The school gate. We're in a... Yeah. School gate, yes. What? School gate. Come on, let's go to the school gate.